The Gilas Pilipinas athletes involved in a brawl with an Australian team that played out on the international stage apologize. Team captain Gabe Norwood tweets, "Heat of the battle and emotions won out, but in the end we strive to show the best of who we are." Andre Blatch posts on Instagram, "Sorry to my Filipino family, Australia, my family back home, and my son." Japeth Aguilar posts a note on Twitter saying, "There is no excuse for how we responded." Roger Pogoy says, "We're also asking for forgiveness and we hope to learn from this situation so that it won't happen again." Calvin Abueva explains, "While we were warming up, we were suddenly bullied. All of us." Jason Castro says, "We didn't go to the game to look for fights, but because of our desire to protect our teammate, the tensions got worse." The Philippine Basketball Association says it invited Gilas Pilipinas players to a closed-door meeting on Thursday to discuss the brawl. Chot Reyes explains what he said to the team on record during timeout. He had told the players to hit somebody, put someone on their ass. In an ESPN5 interview, Reyes says, "If you take offense with that statement, you don't know basketball." Celebrities and personalities also react to the brawl. Singer Gary Valenciano tweets how embarrassed he felt. Host Bianca Gonzalez tweets, "It takes a lot for someone in a highly heated moment to keep their calm, even if I am sure deep inside they want to defend their own." TV host Sam YG says he's frustrated about what happened.